week was Mod 8, employability skills. Mod 7 is in communication skills. And we're going to have everybody come into the class, into the lab, Thursday and Friday between noon and 3:30. Those, any 30-minute slot in there is fine. Let me know which one you need. Get with your parents now and let them know, hey, I got to go to the welding lab either Thursday or Friday. I need a 30-minute slot in there to take this test. This is a review of information and material that we covered last year, so we're pushing on through it. The study guide, do the study guide over and over and over again. You can do it, I think, 5 or 7 times. Every time it shows you the correct answer. If you can make 100 on that study guide, you'll make 100 on the test. So study that study guide. It's worth a major grade. Student progress is a major grade. Attend your Zoom classes. Everybody that's attending Zoom classes is getting a 100 on a major grade. Complete your Schoology work. Do it all. You get just for completing the work, you get a major grade. And your study guide, that's going to be a major grade. And then you come to school, you have 4 major grades this week. Last week, we didn't have much. This week, we're going to have some. Then we're going to push into construction math next week, and we're going to be winding up core certification soon. So if you have any core exams that you have made less than a 70, we need to be talking about retakes. If you're not sure, we want to look in your folder, consider when we're going to do some retakes to get you guys your core certification so we can push into welding certification. I'd like to have the core certification complete by the end of the second 6 weeks. I'd like to be pushing into beginning our welding certifications in the third 6 weeks so that we can be on track this year. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. Stay safe, and see you in Zoom.